Hey everyone, it's Ryan Howe, and what you saw there was a reenactment of what happened to me a couple weeks ago. I wasn't paying attention, ran over something I shouldn't have, and broke both my mower blades underneath my Craftsman here. Just so happens though, I had purchased from Amazon this mower lift just a couple weeks prior, and helped me quickly change these blades out in a way that usually didn't happen, i.e. before having to drop the deck completely off, pull it out, flip it over, do all the stuff that we're used to doing. I got this thing up in no time in a safe manner. So I want to walk you through today the operation of this lift and give you my recommendation on it. So with that, let's get into it.
All right, it comes in one box. You can see it's got 7 bolts and it's not a terribly difficult build. Took me a grand total of maybe 10 minutes.
All right, once you have this all assembled, this is your next steps. You're going to lift this edge up here. Again, this is going to be the tire support that you're going to want to have in a certain spot. We'll show you that. You're going to lift the screw up, and it comes with this little clip that you're just going to place right into here, and this keeps the screw from coming back this way. All right, so once this is all set up and this area is clear, what we're going to do is we're going to pull the mower back nice and easy so it lands flush directly on here with that tire as close to that as we can get it. Okay, no need to over stress about it. And then we're going to set the parking brake. And one last thing I just want you to do is have something just to brace by that tire. Not that we're expecting anything to roll, but safety first.
It's a simple hand crank, nothing to worry about.
All right, let's take a look at this. So first things first, make sure that thing is still safe, right? Safety first is what we want. And as you can see, I only used maybe a third, 40% of the actual screw. And that's because you really should only be lifting your mower up as high as you need to use, as high as you need to be able to do the work you need to do. In this case, I changed out my mower blades. You can see I have plenty of room to be able to maneuver in there. And those are the new blades that are in there. And it took me maybe a grand total of 10 minutes to change my blades out. One more thing before we move on. Again, we're not going to go through changing out your lawnmower blade today, but I do want to talk to you about this. If you don't have one of these, it's designed to hold the blade here, so you don't have to worry about torque. You can pick them up at Lowe's or any of the any Lowe's, Home Depot. It was $10, but it just slaps on just like that. And what it ends up doing is the blade rests in between here, so it can't go back and forth. You just tighten it on with this little bolt. Thing's fantastic. Check it out if you don't have one. Well, there's my review on the lawnmower lift that I got from Amazon. Link is in the description. Go check it out. I highly recommend it for a couple of reasons. One, obviously the price is like $89. Two, ease of use. It's very simple for what I need to be able to do with my mower. And three, also ease of storage. Because of how it stores flat, I keep it up in the rafters of my shed. It's up there, it's out of the way, and I pull it down when I need it. No issues whatsoever. So with that, thanks for checking out my video. Hopefully I've earned your subscription today, and I will see you next time. Take care.